Okay, let's check out Solana. Now, if you haven't heard of Heikin-Ashi candles before, you might look at this chart and think, what the hell is going on? But to make it super simple for you, traditional Japanese candlesticks work as you have a opening, and that opening is exactly correlated to the close on the previous candle. So you can see we closed this candle here, and the next candle we opened at this exact level. On this candle we closed down here, and the next candle we open on this specific level. But if we come over to Heikin-Ashi candles, you can see that they don't open and close where the previous one did. They actually open halfway down the candle body. Now it's specifically the candle body, it's not the whole move. So you can see here, we closed down here, and the next opening was halfway on the previous candle. You can see this opening as well is halfway through this previous candle body, and obviously etc, etc, etc. I don't need to point it out for all of them. So why would we use the Heikin-Ashi candles on Solana, or why would we use them on any crypto? Now, Heikin-Ashi candles are great at determining whether a downtrend has subsided or not, or whether it's just a dead cat bounce. You can see if we come over to the traditional Japanese candlesticks, you can see that we had two fairly bullish green candles here, we had a green candle here, and two green candles here. So a lot of the time it was saying, obviously this is bullish price action, bullish price action, bullish price action, while we were still in a downtrend. So Heikin-Ashi candles take away that noise. As they open halfway through the previous candle body, it allows for a lot more momentum. It requires a lot more momentum to the upside or to the downside to either change the direction of the pattern. So you can see here that we did actually have two green candles on the Heikin-Ashi that turned out to be roll over bearish, but these are actually two doji candles, which obviously show indecision in the market. So it was clear that these two candles weren't bullish at all. But now we've had our first week in Solana where we've been able to push above the previous opening of the previous red candle. So far on the Heikin-Ashi candles, this is one of our first weeks since the downtrend started on the 1st of November that we've put in bullish price action. Also, you can see from this fib low to high that we are now above the 618 at 112. So it is very possible that the Solana downtrend could have been finished now, and the low could have been down here at 80. What I want to tell you guys is to not get out of bed right now. This is obviously the weekly candle, and this is on a Monday, so it is very possible that we could, wick up to here, and then the next candle body opening would be maybe somewhere down here or something, depending on how far we go down this candle. Obviously, if we come all the way down here, then we'd be opening another red candle around this 99 level. This is obviously just like a rough draft. So what should we look out now for the Heikin-Ashi candles to tell us whether the downtrend subsided? What we need to do is we need to wait until the 14th, which is next Monday. We've got exactly a week, and I'll update you next week based on what the Heikin-Ashi candle opens on. So if we are able to open next week specifically above the 0.618 here, which is at 112, and if we are able to open, a bullish green candle, maybe somewhere in this vicinity, we would be opening our first bullish green candle on the Heikin-Ashi structure since all the way back here in November, really, when this downtrend subsided. So that is honestly all I want to share with you guys today. I'm going to make a Heikin-Ashi candle video for Bitcoin as well. But this is just a quick video to show you these very simple things on the macro terms. So keep an eye out on the Heikin-Ashi candles. If we are able to open next week with a fairly green bullish candle, I will be giving you an update, and that is probably the time where we can confidently say that the downtrend has subsided. So thanks for coming to my channel. This isn't financial advice, it's all just my opinions on the market. I'm out. Peace.